Mortgage broker George Samios is running the ruler over many of the home loans on his books.
So the total gain is $9,340. Our biggest concern this year is all our customers coming out of those 1.99 fixed rates, rolling onto a variable rate in the sixes.
Not long ago, the major banks were heavily competing to lure customers who were looking to refinance, but things have changed.
At the peak, we saw 35 lenders offering cashback deals to new customers willing to refinance over to them. Today, that number is just 12.
And it's not just the cashback deals that have been wound back. Since March, the RBA has raised the cash rate by 0.75 percentage point. The Big Four banks passed that on to existing borrowers, but they've increased the advertised rates for new customers by even more.
If you take CBA as an example, a new customer today taking out one of their lowest rate loans could potentially be paying 0.42 percentage points more than a customer that took that exact same loan out in March of this year. That is not normal activity.
And it's not a normal time in the mortgage market. Hundreds of thousands of homeowners are rolling off fixed rates onto much higher variable deals.
And this will continue for a little while to come. There's probably another 6 months of it till the end of this year to see the final impacts of that and to see how people actually deal with it.
For those who do qualify to refinance, Sally Tyndall says it's worth shopping around.
The Big Four banks might have turned their back on the refinancing boom, but that does not mean competition in the market is dead in water and it's not worth refinancing. It absolutely is, but you may have to look beyond the Big Four banks if you want one of the sharpest rates.
Broker George Samios thinks major banks could soon be competing for new customers again.
Why I reckon the banks weren't so competitive in the last couple of months is the financial year was ending and they wanted to show high profits to their shareholders. However, we are in a new financial year now, and I am starting to see a lot of good deals coming out with these banks.
That's good news for borrowers like Charlie Olsen, whose 3-year fixed mortgage is ending.
Which did alleviate some of those concerns that I was having such a significant rise in those interest rates.
Cushioning the fall off the mortgage cliff.